Exploring the basics. Boil meat in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning and usage of a common phrase in English: boil meat. Whether you're a kitchen enthusiast or just curious about English phrases, this video will clarify this term's meaning and usage. Let's dive in. First, let's break down the phrase. The word boil refers to cooking food by immersing it in water or another liquid at a temperature that causes the liquid to bubble and steam. Boiling is a basic cooking method, and it's essential to understand this process when learning English, especially if you're interested in culinary topics. Next up is meat. In English, meat broadly refers to the flesh of an animal, particularly mammals, used as food. It's a staple in many diets around the world. When we talk about boiling meat, we're referring to cooking this animal flesh using the boiling method we discussed earlier. Now, let's combine the two words, boil meat. This phrase simply means to cook meat by boiling it in water or another suitable liquid. It's a healthy cooking method often used to prepare simple, unseasoned meat, make broths, or soften tougher cuts of meat. In different cultures, boiled meat plays a crucial role in various traditional dishes. Boiling meat isn't just about cooking it in water. There are variations like simmering or poaching, which involve lower temperatures. Also, different types of meat require different boiling times and techniques. For example, boiling chicken is different from boiling beef. This phrase is also used metaphorically at times, representing a process of simplification or reduction to basics in various contexts. And that wraps up our exploration of boil meat in the English language. I hope this video has been informative and helps you better understand this common culinary term. Whether you're cooking or just enhancing your English vocabulary, knowing these basic terms is incredibly helpful. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more English language learning content.